In this video, we're talking about what to do when a roof tile falls off and you're stuck wondering if anyone will even fix just one tile or if you're doomed to wait until the whole roof needs a makeover. Okay, so first off, don't panic if a tile decides to bail on you. It happens. The key thing is to check if the tile is just loose or if there's any damage underneath, like broken battens or exposed underlayment. If it's just one tile, sometimes you can do a quick DIY fix by grabbing some roofing adhesive or mortar to stick it back in place, but make sure it's clean and dry before you try that. You'll want to be careful climbing up there, safety first, always. If you're not feeling confident, a handyman might take the job on since it's small, and some roofers are cool with little fixes if you ask nicely and explain the situation. Another tip: keep an eye on the weather because rain or wind can make that spot worse if it's left open. Also, try to find a tile that matches yours. Sometimes local hardware stores or roofing suppliers carry extras or can order one for you. It's important to keep that gap covered because even one tile missing can lead to leaks or worse damage over time. So yeah, patching it up fast is better than waiting for the entire roof to get redone. One of the biggest mistakes people make when a tile falls off is ignoring it, thinking it's no big deal, which can quickly lead to water damage and costly repairs later on. Another issue is trying to force a broken tile back without checking the underlying structure, which just makes things worse if the battens are damaged or rotten. And lastly, picking the wrong replacement tile can cause mismatched weight or size problems that don't fit well and might pop off again in wind or rain. Always double check the specs before buying. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty clutch for situations like this because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who actually want to take on small jobs like a single tile fix. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to find work and build your client base without wasting time chasing leads.